Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So time check, it's 4:15 and we're heading to the mountain. So neighbor namin yung owner, so pupunta kami mag-sleep over with friends and cousins. Hi!
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Yabang. Val, ang aming hairdresser. Sila sa likod. Saan yung kikaon? Medyo malapit na kami. And
Oh, okay lang.
ano kinukuha nila?
Piyo.
Pio crab, small crabs. Beyasa na. Yan.
Yan ang may...
So, we're going to pass our local falls, but it's not really good at the moment as it's very shallow. Ay, there's no water. Wala na day water. So wala na siyang water. So super dry na siya. So time check, it's 40. So it's 22:05 and I'm sweating. See you there. We have free water here.
Water. Asa lang. Wala mo gagamitan. Asa lang, kaya napag-inom.
Ay, ako nainom ko na.
Cellphone.
Yata yun, dugaya po nimplong.
Dugay, mainom eh. Ate, bona. Dagan, ralagyan nila mo.
It's very steep.
Ano ba nila?
Sunod din.
Sunod ko to. Dara ka tan. Bukon ba siya mo?
Okay, slippers is down.
Di man picture, it's a miracle. Wait for me. Dagwa ginawa nila. Yo. Mayong. Pastor.
No. Hey! Taas kataas ba? Nabungan ako sa narinig tayo.
So medyo matubig na. I have to carry my sandals.
Nayapat na maasa kayapat.
Asa? We've just arrived at the destination. Time check, it's 10:05. Kaya pa? This is our accommodation for tonight. So ayan, magha-house tour tayo. Wait. Tara! Wow.
Upo lang nipa.
Hulagan, nindot siya doon ka rooms.
Because yung bag.
This is bedrooms.
Tikal.
Okay pa mo?
Bali no.
Okay, this is how we grill our pork. There you go.
Oh, ikaw na yan.
Tuyok, ang lechon.
Ay, tuyokon. Anak ko, kalami mo. Anak. Bani, puno kayo para magbit-bit. Huy!
Ya, dire tayo.
Plong-plong.
So time check, it's 6:20 and we're going out for crab hunting. So yeah, let's go. It's really dark, so we have our torch, flashlight, torch. Yeah, and there they are. Let's go. So we got one here. Yeah.
Sigawan her is that. Dagdag ni mo yung pagdali yun.
Money crab.
Is the pain.
Nasa bato ka na.
Man.
Anak na ba't to?
Yung klaroan. Dua tayo sa tabi niya pa. Ano ba yan? Haman tinawa lagi ito dyan.
Pero kita pa. Meron.
Ayaw pa ako. Ipag na ni Buboy. Kamu dari yan. Tigas sobrang kaya patay. Nice rin pa ako.
Gusto na, lamig kayo na?
Lamig eh. Pula. Kay Kuya Pat kuha na eh. Di mukap na Kuya Pat. Di bangun na sila na.
Kamu mga li.
Asa?
Kuya Pat. Dakpan ninyo ha. Man.
Dumay kayo. So, we're home.
Dala na sa sulod. Ano? Boy. Ngunit asa na?
Ay, kasi magpusundo.
Isda, okay ra. Pero biyahe. O, sige na to. Kung nalingaw na. Oy, lingaw ni. Oy, duwa. Mga mang.
Kami ka na eh. Wala, kadalay. Prenda.
Good morning everyone. So time check, it's 6:30 and we're heading back home. So nag-coffee lang kami and then oh no, nag-noodles din pala. And uwi na. Bye bye Housie. Bye Kaweng.
Daloy.
Dala na yung baboy diri ah.
Sa tabo na wala ni bilion.
Time check, it's 7:30 and I'm so tired. So we're very close na talaga. So we'll end this video here. Bye. And sila lakad-lakad. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.